All right, so we're evaluating if either this or this are solutions to this equation right here. Okay? Now, what's important for you to understand is this right here is called an ordered pair. Say that real quick. Ordered pair.
Ordered pair.
Okay? And in an ordered pair, the first number is always representative of x, and the second number is always representative of y. Okay? And so all I have to do is take this 3, since it represents x, and plug it in for x right here. And take this negative 2, since it represents y, and plug it in for y right there. So when I do that, I'm going to write 6, and then in parentheses, I'm going to put the x, which is 3, okay, plus 3 times what y is, which is negative 2, and all that must equal 15. Now let's talk about why did I put a 3 here and a negative 2 here. Well, I had x, and in the place of x I put a 3. There it is. And right here I had y, and in place of y I put what y was, which is negative 2. So now let's evaluate it. So I've got 18 plus negative 6 must equal 15 for this to be a true statement. Well, what's 18 plus negative 6? So does 12 equal 15?
No, sir.
So because this is a false statement right here, then A is not a solution. Okay? So now let's test B. So remember, again, on B, this is an ordered pair, which means this is x and this is y. And if you can't remember which one's x and which one's y, then what you can do is just remember in the alphabet, x comes before y, and we read everything left to right. So from left to right, x and y. Now I'm going to plug those 2's in for x and y up here, for x here and y there. And so I've got 6 times 2 plus 3 times 2 equals 15. And so I've got 12 plus 6 must equal 15. Well, 12 plus 6 is 18. Does 18 equal 15? It doesn't. So B is not a solution either. So if we look at this answer, it's also not both of them as the answer. It's neither. All right, so here's us a new problem. And again, we're trying to figure out, is this a solution to this equation? Is this a solution to this equation? Is it both or is it neither? So let's start with A. Now remember what I told you. What is this?
An ordered pair.
It's an ordered pair. So this is x and this is y. Okay? And so when I plug in, I've got 10 plus 7 times 1 equals 17. Well, 10 plus 7 times 1 is 17. And does that equal 17?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a true statement. And so A is definitely a solution. So let's look at B. Remember, the first number is always x and the second is always y. So here I've got negative 4 plus 7 times 3. Okay? 7 times 3. And that must equal 17. So that's negative 4 plus 21. Does it equal 17? Well, negative 4 plus 21 is 17, and that does equal 17. So it's also a solution. So in this case, both of them were a solution, so the answer is C, because both of them are a solution. So remember, when the left side of the equal sign, okay, here's the equal sign. Y'all see it? When the left side, which is 17 here, equals the right side, then it's a true statement and it's a solution. If the left side, like on this other one that we did right here, if the left side, which is 18, does not equal the right side, it's a false statement, which means it's not a solution.